Hello students, next we are moved to the sixth one. In the given figure, 1 and 2 are supplementary angles. If 1 is decreased, what changes should be takes place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? So here they given 1 and 2 are supplementary. If you change the angles 1 and 2, that means if you decrease the 1 and increase the 2, or if you decrease the 1, so what changes should be takes place in 2? You should write here what changes when you decrease the angle 1. And if you change the 1, the angles are still remain supplementary or not. We have to check that. So see here. So this is the figure. So here 1 and 2 are supplementary. If you decrease the 1 like that, if you decrease 1 in this side, okay, so automatically angle 2 also increases. You should remember that when you decrease the angle 1, automatically angle 1 is also increases like this. Okay, so I will write here, this is the 1 here, angle 1. If you change the angle 1 here, so this is the decreased value. The angle 2 is this one. So here angle 2 is increases by same amount. Okay, so that the 1 and 2 are still supplementary, because when you decrease the 1, so automatically angle 2 is increases in the same value. Okay, by the same value, so 1 and 2 are supplementary angles. Next one is, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute, obtuse, right angle? So see here they give the both the angles are if acute. So then the angles are supplementary or not, we have to check. We know the acute angle means what? Less than 90 degree. We know that. See here, the acute angle means less than 90 degree. Okay, so both the angles are acute. If you taken this one less than means this is 80 and the another angle is also 80. So both the angles are acute. When you add these two, we get 160. But supplementary means what? The sum of pair of angles should be 180 degree. So here 160 is not equal to 180. So that both the angles are not supplementary if the angle is acute. Okay. So next one is obtuse. So obtuse means greater than 90 degree. Okay. So greater than 90 degree means if you take a 95, one is one angle, another one is 95. So see here, obtuse means greater than 95. If both the angles are greater than, that is 95 plus 95, we will get, so which 190 degree. So 190 is less than 180 degree. Sorry, 190 is greater than 180 degree. But supplementary means the sum of the angles are 180 degree. So this is also not supplementary. Acute is also not supplementary. This is also not supplementary. Last one is right angle. Right angle means equal to 90 degree. So if both the angles are 90 degree, that is 90 plus 90, we get 180 degree. So 180 means supplementary. So both the two angles are right angle, then both the angles are supplementary. Okay. See the 8th one. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle is greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45? See here, an angle is greater than 45 means one angle is greater than 45. For example, the angle is 50. If you taken one angle is 50, this is greater than 45. Here they given what? An angle is greater than 45. That means for 50 is greater than 45. Now they ask the question that if you get the complementary angle, so the angle is greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45. That means other angle is what? So very simple. If you greater than 45, or for example if you one angle it should be in greater than 45. So 55 50 100. So we know that complementary angles is 90 degree. So not. Yes, its complementary angle should not be greater than 45. If you take the equal to 45, one is 50, another one is equal to 45. This is the one angle, this is its complementary angle. You should remember that. So add, we get 95. But complementary angles means 90. So this is also not. Equal to 45, take. So less than 45. 50 plus less than 45 means take 40. So 50 plus 40 we get 90. So this is equal to 90. So this is the complementary angle. So if the angle greater than 45 degree, its complementary angle should be less than 45 degree. Its complementary angle should be less than 45 degree. Okay. If you get any confusion here, I explained again you the complementary angle means sum of pair of two angles should be. If this is the angle is 20, if this is the angle is 60, if the 70 plus 60 is 20, we get 90 degree. So if the 20 is complementary angle to the 70 is complementary angle to 20. So both, when you adding these two, we get 90 degree. This is the called complementary angles. You should remember that. So here they give the one angle, that is the angle is greater than 45. So we have to check, so which angle is complementary to this angle. So the angle is less than 45. If greater than 45, we get 100. If equal to 45, we get 95. So because of this is not equal to 90 degree. Okay. So we have to add the less than 45 degree to this greater than 45 degree, we get the 90. This is the complementary. Okay.